Yeah, I think I showed you last video that I got a door over at Habitat, and so it was a nice one. It's got one of those little insert blinds inside it. Kind of neat. Needs a little bit of work on the outside, but you know, this is for a glorified outhouse. So we got our stuff to hinge the door, and I bought some jam sides for it. Made my first cut for the top for the header piece to go in, and I got a commercial threshold for it that I'm going to put down on the bottom. I just like them better. And so let's move on. Alright, getting a little bit of polyurethane on the front and the seats here. We do have a toilet lid. I think you've seen it. Tomorrow we put down the floor. I sure like break time, a good cup of coffee. Anyway, what we've done here is we've put in the polyurethane, that base there, to make it look better, and you see we put in the floor. Also got in the shower base there, and I will be putting in a shower valve next, and assorted other goodies. We still need a urinal and a lab sink in there. I'll be hooking it up to a 1,000 liter water tank that I'll place outside. That should give us about, I don't know, a couple of weeks of showers at a time. If you like what we're doing, like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us out quite a bit. So thanks a lot, and see you next week.